Hello friends, welcome to Unified Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 1st January. Let's start. In the year of 1801, on this day, dwarf planet Ceres was discovered by Italian Giuseppe Piaggi. In the year of 1862, on this day, the Indian Penal Code was implemented in India. In the year of 1877, on this day, Queen Victoria of England became the Empress of India. In the year of 1880, on this day, money order system was introduced in the country. In the year of 1892, on this day, Mahadev Desai, the famous revolutionary of India, was born. Mahadev Desai was an Indian independence activist, scholar, and author who is best remembered as the personal secretary to Mahatma Gandhi. In the year of 1894, on this day, Professor Satyendra Nath Bose, the eminent Indian scientist, was born. In the early 1920s, he is best known for his work on quantum mechanics, collaborating with Albert Einstein in the development of foundations of Bose-Einstein statistics and the theory of Bose-Einstein condensates. In the year of 1906, on this day, the British government accepted the Indian standard. In the year of 1949, on this day, armistice was declared in Kashmir. In the year of 1964, on this day, Rajendra Singh Ji Jadeja, the first chief of the army staff of the Indian Army, passed away. He was the first chief of army staff of the Indian Army and the second Indian after Field Marshal K.M. Cariappa to become the Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army. In the year of 1971, on this day, the broadcast of cigarette advertisements on television was banned. In the year of 1992, on this day, India and Pakistan exchanged the list of their nuclear installations for the first time. In the year of 1995, on this day, World Trade Organization came into existence. In the year of 1996, on this day, Sundar Singh Gujjar, a Paralympic athlete from India, was born. He has won a bronze medal in the men's javelin F46 event at the Tokyo 2020 Paralympics. In the year of 2008, on this day, value-added tax (VAT) was implemented in Uttar Pradesh. In the year of 2013, on this day, the US Space Agency NASA sent Marvin to Mars. In the year of 2019, on this day, millions of women built a 300-mile women's wall in the Indian state of Kerala in support of women's access to the Sabrimala temple. In the year of 2021, on this day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone for lighthouse projects at 6 sites in 6 states through video conference. The LHP will be implemented in Indore, Rajkot, Chennai, Ranchi, Agartala and Lucknow. In the year of 2021, on this day, India begins its 2-year term as a non-permanent member of the United Nations Security Council. This is the 8th time the nation will have a seat in the powerful organ of the United Nations. In the year of 2021, on this day, Soma Mandal takes over as the new chairman of Steel Authority of India Limited. She is the first woman head of SAIL. She had replaced Anil Kumar Chaudhary, who retired on 31 December 2020. Establishment of SAIL is 19 January 1954. In the year of 2021, on this day, the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet has approved the appointment of Suneet Sharma as the Chairman and CEO of Railway Board, Ministry of Railways, and ex officio Principal Secretary to the Government of India. In the year of 2021, on this day, the International Financial Services Centres Authority (IFSCA) becomes an associate member of the International Organization for Securities Commissions (IOSCO). IOSCO headquarters is situated in Madrid, Spain. In the year of 2022, on this day, Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) will celebrate its 64th Rising Day today. DRDO's headquarters is situated in New Delhi. Its establishment is 1958. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.